exponential function, regression and growth, decay. Topic objective. Find the regression and growth or decay of an exponential function. What this means is an exponential function, which is the chart that is used to calculate the exponential regression equation using a calculator, and to see if it is an exponential growth or decay depending on the function. So here we have an example problem, and in an exponential function, the numbers on the y-axis of the chart are multiplying. So every one of these numbers on the y-axis are multiplying by 2. Number 1. Using the data in the table, write an exponential regression equation with the coefficient and base. So in your calculator, when you turn it on, you're going to press stat and then 1. And the way that you put your x and y values in this screen here is that the L1s are your x values and the L2 column is your y values. So in your L1 column, you put the x values. So the x values were 0, enter, 1, enter, 2, enter, 3, enter. And so now in your L2, you need to put your y values. So in order to get to your L2, you press the right arrow once, and then you put your y values. So once you're done putting all your values in your L1 and L2, you press stat and then the right arrow and then 0 and press enter 5 times. And here you have your exponential regression equation. Now how you put this as an answer in number 1 is you gotta put it in this format. Y equals A parentheses B parentheses X. And so in your calculator, you see that the A value is 7 and the B value is 2. So how you write that as an answer is y equals 7 parentheses 2 parentheses x. And this would be your answer for your exponential regression equation. Number 2. Using your written exponential regression equation, state if the exponential function is an exponential growth or exponential decay. Why? Well, in order to find the exponential growth or exponential decay of a regression equation, you have to look at the b. Remember, we said that the b is 2 and the a is 7. Well, when the b is 2, if it's an exponential growth, that means the number is greater than 1. If it's an exponential decay, that means the number is less than 1. So 2 is greater than 1. So for number 2, the regression equation would be an exponential growth. And for the reasoning, we would put that it is greater than 1. Because we said that 2 is greater than 1, and that would make it an exponential growth. So in this next example problem, we have a teacher, but this time, the y values, they are all dividing by 2. Like I said, an exponential function, the numbers on the y-axis of the chart are multiplying. They also can be dividing. So, number 1, using the data in the table, write an exponential regression equation with the coefficient and base. So when you turn on your calculator, you're going to press stat once again and then 1. And then you're going to put all your x values in L1 and all your y values in L2. So we said that the x values are 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you put all your x values in L1, and then you put all your y values in L2. So in order to get to L2, you need to press the right arrow and then put all your y values in L2. After you've done that, in order to find the exponential regression equation, you press stat, the right arrow, and then 0, and enter 5 times. And so here you have your exponential regression. So, once again, like we said, in order to put it as an answer, you need to have it in the format y equals a, parentheses b, parentheses x. So, in your calculator, find the a and the b value. So, in here, it says that the a value is 32, and the b value is 0.5. So how would you put that as this format? Well, we substitute the a with the number and the b with the b number. So the equation would be y equals 32, parentheses 0.5, parentheses x. And that is how you write your exponential regression equation. Number 2. Using your written exponential regression equation, state if the exponential function is an exponential growth or exponential decay. Why? Well, in order to find the exponential growth or exponential decay of a function, you need to look at the b's. If the number is greater than 1, it's an exponential growth. If the number is less than 1, it's an exponential decay. So, in this case, the exponential function would be an exponential decay. The reason why is because the b number is less than 1. And so that is how you find the exponential regression equation of an exponential function.